Now let us see how to monitor the Kubernetes cluster resources. Click on this cluster name. Now Control F, monitor. So we can see this. Under features, cloud operations for GKE, we can click on view GKE dashboard. So here we can see all the metrics, as in what are all the default namespace, what are all the nodes, what are all the workloads. Workloads means deployments, and the services, how much CPU utilization is being happening. Okay, you can see this, right? So we can see all such things. What about the pods? How much CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk utilization, and all these things. Okay, we will also see how to configure our pods to scale up when under high load. Okay. So let's say that we want to increase the number of pods for our web deployment whenever the load is more than 50% CPU utilization. So let us see how to do that. So under the KIDS folder, I will go to the web deployment, nano web deployment.yaml. So under the specifications of the containers, so here I will write resources. Under resources, I will write requests, and under requests, I will write CPU 50M. Okay, so make sure that all the indentation is correct. Okay, and then Control X, Y, and enter. So I will just cat it to make sure I have saved my changes. So yes, okay. So now I want to apply these configurations. kubectl apply -f web deployment.yaml. So let us configure our web deployment to auto scale the pods. Okay, so we can do that by kubectl auto scale deployment, the name of the deployment, which is web deployment, and then we can configure the minimum number of pods, maximum number of pods, and the CPU percentage. Okay, so we will do all those things like this: --CPU %% equals 50, and then --min is equal to 3, --max equal to 5, something like that. So we can configure all these things. So hit enter. So it's saying horizontal pod autoscaler. Okay, so basically by doing auto scale, we mean that we want to scale the pods horizontally, which means increase the number of pods when the CPU utilization crosses this. Okay, so now we can see if this is created or not using kubectl get HPA, which means horizontal pod scaling, auto scaling. So the name is this, like that auto scaling, that HPA is applied to this deployment, and then the targets. So out of 50%, 2% CPU utilization is there. So basically, if the load increases more than 50%, then we want to spawn more pods up to a maximum of 5. Okay, if that is not the case, or if the threshold is below that, we can downscale one pod. Okay, so this automation will be taken care by this HPA, which means horizontal pod autoscaler. We can create that using this command.